Things about this $100,000 Mercedes that just make sense. When you go to reach for something in the passenger seat, the light automatically comes on and then comes off when you pull your hand away. The car has this beautiful ambient lighting, and on the voice command you can say, change the ambient lighting to red.
I'm changing the color.
This car lets you put on the heated seats and ventilated seats at the same time. You don't just get heated seats either, the armrests are heated too. This car has really aggressive side bolsters, and they actually move as you turn the car to hug you in place. If you push this little button that says R, it lets you control the passenger seat from the driver's side. Of course, the seats have massage! This car has pillarless doors like you get on a coupe. Here in the glove box, you get this little bottle of scent. This comes through your air vents to make sure your car smells nice. This button controls your pop-up spoiler. Things on a $480,000 Rolls Royce that just makes sense. Of course, you have the beautiful Rolls Royce Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament. When you click the lock button, she hides away. These doors, of course you don't open them normally, silly. They're coach doors, meaning that you grab the handle and open them backwards. How cool is that? And when you have the door open, you even get a built-in umbrella. When you're sitting inside, it's actually really hard to reach the door to close because it's so far away. Well, Rolls-Royce thought of that. There's a little button right here, and if you push that and hold, the door will shut all on its own. Even the climate controls on this car are interesting. You have soft, medium, high, and max fan speeds. And then down below it, you can adjust the temperatures for the top half of your body and the bottom half of your body differently. How cool is that?